Hello guys, today we are going to look at how we can import and export our tables in our database. Yes, in the form of a backup. So we have a structured table or database that we want to export it and save it down for future use in the form of a backup. It's possible with this simple method. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, I have several databases on my server, phpMyAdmin. So we'll use one of them as an example. So for instance, I have this database called jbrposdb. Okay, so on this database I have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 about 15 tables. All right, so I just want to show you how to export and at the same time import your SQL database, because all these tables are in SQL format, as we all know. So I'll look at all product. So I've opened all product. So within the all product, as I've selected it like this, now it's the details of the table, the rows and columns, the values that we have on this table. So if you can see from here, the query states that selects all from whole product, order by expiring date, descending order. Okay, descending order. All right, so if I want to export this table, I'll just come here and click on export. All right, now it's loading. Okay, so we'll be asked to progress with the process. Yes, so looking at the interface, we will see a go button down somewhere here. Okay, yes, depending on the screen that you are using, you just have to click on go, and then your database will be downloaded, or your table will be downloaded for you. Here is it, downloaded. Okay, so let me just give you a bit explanation of what we see here. Okay, so we have the format. So one thing I want to talk or give you more explanation about the exporting is about the formats that you want to export your database to. Alright, what I just did was SQL format. So I can choose any format that I want here to export. So for different development purposes, we can export our database into a different format. We have CSV, we have JSON, we have Microsoft Word 2000, we have open document spreadsheet, PDF, SQL, XML, and what have you. So it makes it very easier for anybody to export his or her database to a different format of his or her desire. Okay, so you just have to select from the drop down the preferred format that you want to export your database to or a table to, and that is fine. And then you click on go. Now display. Alright, so that is okay for the exporting. Now we can just visit our downloads and check what we've exported, but then that is not part of the today's video tutorial. Right, so let's look at another way. Now we've exported this particular table. Alright, I want to export the same table onto a different database. Alright, so I have a different database here. I have new POS. I want to import this same whole product table into this database. Alright, so I just have to select the database and come to import. So it's loading. Alright, so we are asked to browse to select a file that we want to import. The file should be in a format, different format, can be an SQL zip file, a compressed file or something. Yes, a RAW file, but the maximum should be 40 megabytes. So we just have to browse to our computer to select the file. So choose file. Now I'll just go straight to my download folders and I'll select my whole product. Okay, now you can see the SQL codes here showing the database, the table rows and columns. Alright, so I'll just click on open, character set for the file, and then we have partial imports, we have enable foreign key, and then format that we want to export. So what I want to talk about is the format we want to import to. Now this one is automatically determined by the Xampp server. Okay, PHPMyAdmin determines the file format based on after you have uploaded it. It determines that it's an SQL format file or a CSV file and an open document spreadsheet file. So for this our case it's an SQL file. Alright, then we can click on go, then wait for it to load. Alright, so we don't have any red indication of an error. That means all our database can be exported, and then we can see our table here as an evidence of it being imported. So this is how we do import and export in Xampp server. Thank you very much for watching. You can like and subscribe to our channel for more effective and wonderful videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.